So now that we've created a report that uses the association rule for the candidate case type, let's now create a report that uses a class join for the onboarding case type. Go to onboarding, right click, create, reports, report definition, and let's call this one employee medical selection. Create and open. Alright, so once it's open, let's go to the data access tab. Let's add a class join, give it prefix BE, class name TGB. We want the benefits enrollment class, edit conditions. Let's give it BE dot Kobyinski, PX Kobyinski. Yep, and that'll be equal to dot PZ ins key. Alright, so in some class it's a little bit better. Let's use BE, the prefix for the benefits enrollment class, as that's the class we want to do the join with. And then we specify PX Kobyinski as the starting of the join in a sense. We make that equal to the key in our class, and that's where the join occurs. So, another overview, the PX Kobyinski is a key inside the class that we want to join. So we make that key equal to our key, allows us to now do the join. Alright, now we can go back to our query tab and let's add our column sources. So the first one we want is PYID, for the case ID. Alright, I'm going to quickly speed up the video just to save time.
And the column, so for employees, last name, PY last name, there it is. And let's also add the benefits enrollment class join, PY size work. So this is work size. Benefits enrollment, BE, and let's add the PYID, case ID. And last but not least, let's add the benefits enrollment medical plan. That's also going to report, medical. There it is, plan, planning. Okay, let's call it planning. Alright, save.
Alright, once you finish this report and you've hit save, you should now be able to run the report by going to actions and run. And here we should display a list of our records. So at the moment we've got 0 records because obviously we have no instances, but the minute you start creating cases, it should be populating.